All right, let's talk about the deployment process. What happens? Now, we're gonna presuppose some things here. We're gonna presuppose that you've already completed your resume, you've already sent it to catastrophe companies, and you're on their rosters. We're going to talk about deployment in reference to stages. And as you can see there on your screen, we're going to start with stage 4, which is typically the... All right, let's continue on and talk about the scoping process, or scoping a loss. Scoping, as I mentioned before, simply means investigating. That's where you go to the damaged property, and your goal as an adjuster is two things: figure out what's damaged and whether it's covered, and then ultimately to assign a cost to that damage. That's your job. All right, let's discuss now what to bring to a catastrophe location. Now, again, I'm a catastrophe adjuster. I only work when there's some sort of catastrophe, and that's by my choice. All of this is overkill if you're working daily claims or you're working a small event like a hailstorm. But I'm trying to prepare you to work a